Hello everyone, we are Let Them Cook, and today we have another challenge for AI. In one corner, we have tradition, time-tested, flavors passed down through generations, perfected by hand and heart. In the other corner, artificial intelligence, data-driven, lightning fast, and ready to revolutionize your dinner plate. Today, we're putting them to the test. Can AI really cook like grandma? Or will tradition triumph once again in the kitchen? We're making the same dish, two different ways, and only one can win your taste buds over.
Okay, so I'm going to make traditional gyudon, which is beef bowl in English. And these are the ingredients. So let's get going. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to put onion. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of mirin or sweet sake. And then I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sake for cooking. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar. Like this. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna put the medium fire. Okay, and I'm gonna stir for a little bit. Okay, so now that I'm finished stirring, I'm gonna add 200 cc of water. And I'll stir it for a little bit, just a little bit. And then I'm going to steam it. 5 minutes with medium fire.
Do you recommend this meal?
So this is really simple, and it's only gonna take around 30 to 40 minutes at max. And the steps are really easy. And this is really special for me since I always go back to Japan in summer, and my grandma's make these type of easy food in the first moment. Okay, so 5 minutes. Oh, voila! It's 5 minutes now. So I'm going to put around 200 grams of beef. Medium fire. Okay, so it's pretty much done, but I have to put secret ingredients in it. Dashi. In Japanese it's called dashi, but I think in English it's called broth or soup stock. Okay. I wouldn't recommend putting too much in because it's really it would be a little different, but I have to put a little secret ingredients. It's basically a spice. That'll be enough. And then stir for a little longer, a little more, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to have taste of it. Oh god. So this is the final dish, gyudon, traditional recipe from Japan. Bon appetit. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys.
Okay, time's out. Get out. Hi, I'm Alonso and I'm going to do the AI part of Gyudon. So before we start, these are the ingredients. So the meat is different to the traditional part. This is steak and we need to fry this first with some oil. Let's fry the meat first. By the time we're done frying, let's take it out. So after we finish frying the steaks, now we put onions inside the pan. We're gonna fry some onion too. This will make the fry. This will make the sauce add. Now we add some mushroom inside. Fry it together. And also we're gonna prepare our sauce. So we're gonna pour 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, I think that's enough. And also we need some sweet sake. And we need 2 tablespoons. And also, we also need some sugar. We also need some sugar. 1. Okay. And just fry it a little bit. And now we pour 100 meters of and then just wait a second. So it's quite well done, and we're gonna pour our steak inside for some flavor. Let the sauce going through the meat. Turn to medium fire and close it. So we close the fire and prepare our rice and pour some inside. So this is the end of the AI part.
こちらが我が家のレシピの牛丼です。こちらが AI に教えてもらったレシピです。では早速いただいてみます。感想としては、こちらの我が家のメニューのお肉の方 がバラ肉を使っているので、お肉が薄くて味がしっかり染み込んでいます。 AI の方のレシピの牛丼は、ステーキ肉を使っていたので、お肉がちょっと厚みがあって味が染み込み具合がちょっと浅いかなと思いました。個人的な感想としてはいつも食べてる我が家の牛丼の方が好きです。